Hello everyone. We're going to pick up where we left off before. Even though it's a new year, we're going to create the new folder structure for the new year really quickly to move on to the more cool stuff. So within our report framework folder, we're going to do Control-Shift-N to create a new folder, 2023, Control-Shift-N again, 01-01-2023, Control-Shift-N again, 02-01-02023, Control-Shift-N 3-1-2023. And now we've got all of our subfolders for each month within the target year. So we're going to go ahead and highlight all of those, right click, cut, and paste them into our 2023 folder. And now, because we're going to be reusing this structure, we're going to copy the 2023 folder and paste it into our activities main folder. And now within activities, we've got a 2022 folder and a 2023 folder. And within the 2023 folder, we've got a subfolder, one for each target month. These will begin to house each one of our files related to that target month, and we're going to simulate that now as if they were downloaded from an exterior data source. Now when you download from an exterior data source, it will automatically default to going into your downloads folder. So if we open our downloads folder, within there I've got a example of the 1st through the 10th of February and the 1st through the 10th of March, just as an example. These files are all identical, and I'll go ahead and open one just to demonstrate what's inside each file. This is just quick, simple information, starting with the index 1 through 10 and the text value 1 through 10. Just as an example, it's not really relevant, but it does give you some idea of what can be referenced within each file. So we're going to go ahead and highlight or select all of our files, right click, cut, navigate back to our information storage folder, back into our report framework folder, back into our activities folder, and back into our year. And now that we're within our year folder, we're going to paste all of our files from our downloads folder, highlight the files for February 1st through the 10th, and click and drag them into the February folder. And we're going to do the same with March 1st through the 10th. Select, drag into March 1st through the 10th. Now, we're going to transition from our folder structure now that we've got it, and within our February file, like I said, we've got the 1st through the 10th, and within our March folder, we've got the 1st through the 10th. Now we're going to stop the video and transition over to our blank Excel document, and we're going to start building our report framework that's going to allow us to reference these very quickly. So see you over there in just a moment.